Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group A. My name is Nur Abdul Azam and my partner is M. Amar Fadlan. In here, we are going to do a demo presentation about how to upload a file using Git to GitHub and then using Jenkins to build the file from the GitHub. First, you need to install GitHub in your device, your computer, or your laptops, and then you need to locate the file that you want to upload. In here, we are going to upload these files, the testing converter. And after that, you need to right click in here and then choose the Git bash. And then after that, we need to prepare the file. The first step is to initialize a local repository in here by typing git init. And then we already initialized an empty Git repository. In this repository, there is still it's still empty, so you need to add the files by typing git add. Now the files will be being prepared, and then after that you need to check the status of the git by typing git. You didn't have to, but in case there is a file that didn't get added into the repository, you can find it in here by typing git status. Now in here, all the file is already color green, so that means there is no error or no file didn't get added to the local repository. And then after that, we need to save the change by typing git commit and using message. Message is commit. Now we gonna check the status of a git again, just in case. Nothing to commit, working trickle now. This is already now the files can already being pushed to the GitHub. But now we need to add a remote to link the GitHub into our Git by we can add the link by typing git remote add. We're gonna name the remote file names is origin, and then in here we are supposed to paste the link to the GitHub, but we still haven't made the repository remote. So now we gonna go to the GitHub. Now in here, we need to make a new repository remote by pressing this new button. And then we can name it and then we put it into the public. Then just press this create repository. Now you already finished making a remote repository on GitHub. And after that, we're gonna copy this link. And then we go back into the git bash. And then we put the link in here. Now to check the link remote, you just only have to type git remote. So in here, there is an origin name for the remote to our GitHub link. And now the last thing you have to do is push the file to the GitHub. The command line is git push min u origin master. Now this is This means that the file has been pushed to the GitHub, and then we go to the GitHub and we refresh. Now the file's already been into the GitHub, already been added to the GitHub. Now after that, we go into Jenkins. To install Jenkins, at first you need to have a Jenkins installed in your device. To install this Jenkins, you need GDK 8 or GDK 11. Because if you didn't have that version, the Jenkins won't start. So in here, Jenkins, we're gonna go to a new item. We go freestyle project, and we name it. And then we go freestyle project. Okay. Now in here, this is the configuration page on the Jenkins. We use the source code management Git, and then we go back to the GitHub, and then this code, and then this link. We gonna copy this again, and then put the link in here again. And after that, the build triggers, we're gonna use PolSGM, and then we're gonna use with end on the build environment, and then apply and save. Now, this is on the project testing computer, and then we go into the workspace, and then we go to build now. And the project was being built. Now the project already finished being built. We can press it, and then we can see the build on the console output. And you can see here the build is success on the first time build. And that's it. That was our presentation on how to use Git to upload file on the GitHub, and then using Jenkins to build the file from the GitHub. Thank you for attention. We are sorry if there's some kind of mistakes on the way we are presenting this video, this project. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.